Hi everyone, this is Monica Guy with Remax Real Estate Associates coming to you from Houston, Texas. And I just wanted to make this video because someone very close to me reached out from another state and told me that he qualified for an exemption that he was not aware that he qualified for. Now, I'm making this video because it's important that you know this. These are things that happen, life happens, and you may not realize that you could be saving money. So essentially this is a 100% disabled veteran, and he qualified for a exemption on his taxes, and these taxes are currently being pulled into escrow, which means this affects his mortgage payment. So he's been 100% disabled for several years now, and what they are trying to do is get the retroactive taxes. They're trying to go back, I think he said it was 4 years back. Ideally, if they could go back more, we would want him to be able to get all that he paid out in taxes, because he should not have been paying those taxes. So these are things that are important to you. I've already mailed out my homestead exemptions to you all. For those of you that did not file your homestead exemptions, I mailed them out to you. Those of you that knew that you, or for those of you that have already completed it, then it may or may not apply to you. But again, I'm making this video because life happens, things happen. This also happens, or for those of you that turned 65, you qualify for a 65 and older homestead exemption. So if you purchased your house 3 or 4 years ago, then you didn't qualify for that exemption. And if you turn 65 somewhere within that time frame, then you do qualify for that exemption now, and it needs to be changed from a homestead to an over 65 exemption. If you are a disabled veteran, it's going to depend on the amount that you are disabled. There's a certain percent, I think it's $500 is the starting point, and it can be up to $12,000, or it depends on what your disability is. If it's 100%, then you will qualify for more. The other question was, well, what if I'm 65 and older and I'm a disabled veteran? Well, you can't claim both exemptions. You're going to get the one that will benefit you the most. So essentially what this does, and why this is important, why I'm making the video, is because if your taxes are rolled into your mortgage payment, which means there's an escrow that's being pulled out and the taxes are being put aside, if that money is being put aside, then, and you qualify for those exemptions, then that amount that they're pulling out and putting into escrow for you will be lower, which essentially will lower your mortgage payment some. I don't know how much of an impact it will make. It may depend on your disability. It may depend on your age. It's going to be whatever you qualify for. But if it helps you save money, then essentially make sure that you file your exemptions. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I'm available on Facebook, on YouTube. You can email me. I'm at Remax Real Estate Associates in Houston, Texas. You can find me on the internet. However, I will post my email across the screen as well. But again, I'm here to help. I hope you found it helpful. Please share if you think someone else can benefit from this information, and I will be talking to you soon. Bye.